Yo, poop on your head. Get out. What the hell is that?
No!
You got the bird in the house.
Oh my goodness.
You gotta hit it out there. What's down baseball player? Oh Lord, get it out of here!
Let's keep real nice.
Okay, it's gotta get out of here for real.
No, I'm trying to get
Where the hell it go?
behind here. Okay.
Why would it go out? It's so stupid.
There you go, man. You might find his way out of here. Huh. Where you go?
He's out there.
You on the floor?
Yeah, and look out. You ready to fly up? Batman. Sit here.
Stop. Whoa. Stop. Don't.
It's good. How did the bird get in here?
All right, guys, come move the couch.